Question 1. On which date does India celebrate Independence Day? A. 15th January. B. 15th August. C. 26th January. D. 2 October. Answer B. 15th August. Question 2. In which year did India gain independence from British rule? A. 1945. B. 1946. C. 1947. D. 1948. Answer C. 1947. Question 3. Who was the last Viceroy of British India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Lord Wavell. C. Lord Curzon. D. Lord Irwin. Answer A. Lord Mountbatten. Question 4. Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Sardar Patel. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 5. Who unfurls the national flag at the Red Fort on Independence Day? A. President. B. Vice President. C. Prime Minister. D. Governor. Answer C. Prime Minister. Question 6. Which year marked the 75th Independence Day of India? A. 2020. B. 2021. C. 2022. D. 2023. Answer C. 2022. Question 7. What was the theme of India's 75th Independence Day celebrations in 2022? A. आज़ादी की उड़ान. B. हर घर तिरंगा. C. स्वच्छ भारत. D. Digital India. Answer B. हर घर तिरंगा. Question 8. Who delivered the famous Christ with Destiny speech on the eve of independence? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Patel. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 9. Which country was also partitioned along with India in 1947? A. Sri Lanka. B. Nepal. C. Pakistan. D. Myanmar. Answer C. Pakistan. Question 10. Which was the first state to be created after India's independence? A. Goa. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Haryana. Answer B. Andhra Pradesh. Question 11. Which movement greatly contributed to India's independence? A. Civil Disobedience Movement. B. Quit India Movement. C. Non-Cooperation Movement. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 12. Who was the British Prime Minister during India's independence? A. Winston Churchill. B. Clement Attlee. C. Neville Chamberlain. D. Harold Macmillan. Answer B. Clement Attlee. Question 13. In which city did the official independence ceremony take place on 15th August 1947? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Kolkata. D. Chennai. Answer B. Delhi. Question 14. Which building in Delhi hosts the Prime Minister's Independence Day speech? A. Parliament House. B. Rashtrapati Bhavan. C. Red Fort. D. India Gate. Answer C. Red Fort. Question 15. Who designed the Indian national flag? A. Pingali Venkaiah. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. D. Annie Besant. Answer A. Pingali Venkaiah. Question 16. What is the ratio of the Indian flag's length to its width? A. 2/1, B. 3/2, C. 4/3, D. 5/3. Answer B. 3/2. Question 17. The Ashoka Chakra in the Indian flag has how many spokes? A. 20, B. 22, C. 24, D. 26. Answer C. 24. Question 18. When was the Indian flag adopted in its present form? A. 22 जुलाई 1947, B. 15 अगस्त 1947, C. 26 जनवरी 1950, D. 2 अक्टूबर 1947. Answer A. 22 जुलाई 1947. Question 19. Which act paved the way for India's independence? A. Indian Councils Act 1909, B. Government of India Act 1935, C. Indian Independence Act 1947, D. Rowlatt Act 1919. Answer C. Indian Independence Act 1947. Question 20. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? A. Rajendra Prasad, B. C. Rajgopalachari, C. Lord Mountbatten, D. Sardar Patel. Answer C. Lord Mountbatten. Question 21. Who became the first Indian Governor General of India? A. Rajendra Prasad, B. C. Rajgopalachari, C. B. R. Ambedkar, D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer B. C. Rajgopalachari. Question 22. Which leader gave the slogan Jai Hind? A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question 23. Who was the Viceroy before Lord Mountbatten? A. Lord Wavell, B. Lord Linlithgow, C. Lord Curzon, D. Lord Reading. Answer A. Lord Wavell. Question 24. What was the capital of British India at the time of independence? A. Kolkata, B. Delhi, C. Mumbai, D. Madras. Answer B. Delhi. Question 25. Who drafted the Indian Independence Act 1947? A. Clement Attlee, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Lord Wavell, D. British Parliament. Answer D. British Parliament. Question 26. Which freedom fighter gave the slogan Vande Mataram? A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Bipin Chandra Pal, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question 27. Which famous leader was assassinated shortly after India's independence? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Sardar Patel, D. Bhagat Singh. Answer B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 28. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Sardar Patel, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer B. Sardar Pateli. Question 29. Which state was the last to join the Indian Union after independence? A. Sikkim, B. Goa, C. Hyderabad, D. Kashmir. Answer A. Sikkim. Question 30. Which year did Goa become a part of India? A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1961, D. 1975. आंसर सी 1961।